Hi everybody, today we're here at Disney's Beach Club Villas. We're in a 2-bedroom villa. Let's go ahead and take a room tour. So this is a 2-bedroom villa here at Disney's Beach Club Resort. We'll start off by going into the entryway here. So you have this nice mirror with a desk. That door right there leads to the 2nd bedroom. Here's your dining area. Here's your kitchen area. So we're actually filming this room tour at the end of our stay as opposed to the beginning of our stay. So apologies, it does look a little lived in, but we were very happy with the room. So your kitchen comes with a full fridge, oven, stove, toaster oven, or toaster, a coffee maker, dishwasher, glassware, glasses, plates, dishes. You have pots and pans, silverware, everything you may need to cook in your room. This couch does fold out into a full-size bed. Some of the wall art on the room. So this villa has not been updated with the pull-down Murphy beds or the pull-down bed that goes under the TV. So that's just storage. Here you've got a little bar, a couple of chairs. We're going to check out the patio. So this is a 2-bedroom villa, and this patio big enough for 4 or more people. And it actually connects. That's the master bedroom over there. We'll go back inside and go to the 2nd bedroom first, and then we'll finish it up with the master. There's actually these cabinets with storage actually have lots of outlets with USBs as well. That's always convenient. Lots of storage. This coffee table here also has deep storage. A couple of drawers there. Now let's go to the 2nd bedroom. Place just a shelf there. You can put things, hang your coat. This closet when you first walk in. Put a couple of hangers there. You do have a couple of luggage racks in there. It's big enough just to store your suitcase in. You have a very large, wide vanity. Double vanity here. This room right here is where your toilet and shower are. Nice size shower. There's actually a 2nd closet in this room. Lots of hangers, storage, pretty nice size closet. And then in here you do have 2 full-size beds. There is a mirror on the wall. This room does not have access to the balcony. Again, the balcony stretches from the living room through to the master bedroom. But again, underneath the TV, you do have lots of storage available, lots of outlets with USBs. All right, let's go check out the master bedroom. So first we'll start with the bathroom here. Very large walk-in shower with a small pedestal sink here. This room right here is your second toilet. Some of the art on the walls is just beach art. Alright, as we open the door to the master, you do have a bathtub in here with another single vanity, a little larger, does have some storage. This bathroom also comes with a hair dryer. There's also this closet, comes with a laundry basket, your extra pillow and blanket for the pull-out couch, hangers, the vacuum, a room safe, an ironing board. This door right here connects to that bathroom that we just showed you. And then here is the master bedroom. So when you first come in, you have a place to sit. You also have storage underneath, very deep drawer. Again, lots of outlets with USBs. One king bed. When we first came into the room, we found this from housekeeping. This actual card has a quote from Walt Disney. How nice. So under the TV, you do have just more storage, more outlets with USBs, a chair, some more beach art. There is the other door that connects to that patio. And then a desk here with a lamp, a phone, and some hidden Mickeys in the chair. Alright everyone, well we hope you enjoyed that tour. That was a 2-bedroom villa at Disney's Beach Club Resort.